Saturday, Sunday, then silver falls apart. You need to watch the price on Monday. While you're relaxing this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, a storm is brewing behind the scenes. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month, Kevin from Kentucky took home a 10th ounce of gold. Click that link I left below. Be the next winner on that list. Now, look at this. The frightening part about this is that it actually begins Thursday. We have the U.S. Productivity and Cost Report coming out, and it's going to shock a lot of traders. The Bureau of Labor Statistics shows that in the recent data, productivity jumped 3.3% in the third quarter. Now, that sounds like good news, but here's the catch. Higher productivity means lower inflation pressure, and that's bad for silver because that gives the Fed an excuse to keep rates higher for longer. And that means money is going to go where it's treated best. It's going to be pulled out of silver, it's going to be pulled out of gold, and it's going to go to Treasury. It's going to go to places where traders can take more of a risk and get paid off better. We also have Friday with an October jobs report coming. Now, if the numbers are hotter than expected, that tells us that the Fed can stay aggressive. There's no reason to cut rates, no reason to panic, and that's bad news for silver because a strong labor market, it keeps pressure on interest rates and the dollar. That's a setup just leading into Monday. And what typically happens is by the time all of those numbers are digested and traders really start to make their move, it'll be Monday morning. We also have to check out overseas because Asia is quietly moving the needle while everyone here is sleeping. Remember, the Asian markets open Sunday evening, while here in the States, we're asleep. On Friday, Shanghai and Shenzhen stock markets, they could be planning their moves for their Monday morning, which is our Sunday night when they're sleeping. And that's a big deal because China is one of the top consumers of industrial silver for electronics, for solar. When those markets weaken, traders assume less industrial demand for silver, and prices start slipping even before we've drinking our coffee Monday morning. So you add in the strength of the dollar after those U.S. reports, and you get a double punch setting us up for this Monday. Get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month, they're giving away 20 silver eagles. 20 eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver, and I'll see you on the next one.